What's up guys, welcome back. Great to see you in the spring. Now we're gonna see fidget. It's spinning fidget. So I ordered it online, Amazon, of course. Amazon got it like 10 days or something like that, and just opening it. See it? Look at this. Spinning fidget. Like it? Place to keep your finger. Like you see the bulge a little bit slope, and then the back side as well. Back side as well goes with little slope. So where you keep that and you just spin it. And you hold it like this. Just hold it. Just float everywhere, wherever you direct it. And you can test over it, wherever the finger you like it. And change it. You can change it any finger, whichever you're comfortable. This is it. Let's check out the size of. It's so mess here. I just now only I see it. It's 52 grams. Just imagine. It's not super light. Look at this. Yeah, I don't want to stop it until it stops. So let's see how long it takes. Wow, such a long time, right? Maybe like 2 minutes. It's fast. It's fast enough, but it has at the same time it has 52 grams. You have to hold. Just imagine. 52 grams is not a simple thing when you are spinning with the plastic, but it has some iron material like in the 3 edge. That's the one. It's poisoning the weight, and that's it. It's all plastic, and these 3 side is the 3 you see here. There's a silver. That material it's metal, and then inner on the center. That is also. I'm gonna make some slow-mo shot of the spinning fidget. So now I'm gonna break it up. One after the one hit from this axe. You can able to see now there is balls running all over the ring. So I'm gonna break one more time here. With this second hit, it just broke away. If I press it hard, it comes out. How easy it is. So let's break these things. On the inside, this is what the ball bearing. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thumbs up and like and share this video if you really enjoyed it. Please give me your comments. Alright folks, bye bye.